Ever wondered what truly drives a property's value and how to uncover it with precision? Today, we're diving deep into using PropStream to accurately estimate property values, a crucial skill for making smart investment decisions. First, navigate to the PropStream dashboard and enter the property address you want to analyze once the property details load. Take a moment to review the core characteristics, the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the total square footage, and the lot size. These are fundamental building blocks for any valuation. Now, let's access the heart of our valuation, the comparables, or comps. Click on the Comps tab. PropStream automatically pulls in recently sold properties that are similar to your subject property, based on location, size, and features. This is where the real magic happens. You can refine these comps using various filters, adjust the number of beds and baths, the sale date to focus on recent transactions, and the distance from your subject property to ensure relevance. Scroll through the list and pay close attention to the sale price, days on market, and the condition of each comparable. Beyond individual comps, we need to understand the broader market. Look for the market trends, or heat map feature. This visual tool reveals important insights like average price per square foot, year-over-year appreciation, and inventory levels in the area. PropStream also provides an estimated value range, often found on the main property details page or within a dedicated valuation tool. This is a synthesized figure derived from its vast dataset and algorithms, giving you a calculated starting point. Analyze the differences between your subject property and the top comparable sales. Are there upgrades or outdated features? How does the condition stack up? Identifying these disparities will help you adjust the comparable sale prices to more accurately reflect your target property. By meticulously reviewing these comparable sales, understanding market trends, and considering property specifics, you can confidently calculate a property's true value, enabling you to make informed investment decisions, craft competitive offers, and ultimately drive profitability.